Oga Guardiola, as per the disciplinarian wey you be, wetin you go do your players for the match wey una lose now?
That one na question. My players know say waterboarding go touch all of them now. Nothing like I beg for any of them.
Wait oh, the waterboarding wey dem dey use torture terrorists? Why na?
Anytime when they lose, them dey terrorize my peace.
You heartless oh. But how you take see the game na?
My own na say we for at least draw that game. If no be say VAR help them disallow that Aguero goal. I no know when FA start to dey use person hand they do offside.
Oga Ole, congratulations for your win.
Thank you.
Wetin you get to talk about the match?
Na this kind match I dey call I pass my neighbor. Him and the way win no be beans. So if them like, make them go carry Champions League or even Club World Cup Jane. Man City no say na United get Manchester.
Nye. See your mouth like United get Manchester. Even the goal wey una first score na from Ojoro free kick with that Bruno Fernandes help una get. Nobody touch am.
Guardiola, make I tell you something. This win no suppose vex yourself. In fact, I even help you so that you fit concentrate and take bigger issues like your future. As I dey now, even if I carry 5th, I go still go Champions League next season. But you no fit carry EPL because Liverpool get am, and you no fit go Champions League next season. So wetin you suppose do na to concentrate on how to go fair for this season Champions League and to find another club next season. Because even your players go commit. You suppose use your future EPL paints to do charity donations for the less privileged clubs like Watford and Aston Villa.